How you doing, everyone? Chris at Dentless Touch back again with another paintless dent repair video. This time around we have a BMW 328i. Crazy smash on the fender. Compromised the edge quite well, and we have obviously the crown up top. So let's get started. So here's the first one. Pretty pronounced. It's actually inward, and then the protruding out, I call them kinks. So that's what we have to address, and it cracked the paint a little bit right there. So we're gonna try to preserve the paint as much as we can. So we're gonna try to preserve the paint as much as we can. He is going out to buy some touch up, and hopefully we only have to touch up that very edge. And so visually, it will look like the panel has no touch up on it. It just kind of be up on the lip area. So let's get started. Alright guys, so bear with me. On a white vehicle, it is very hard to expose the camera properly so you can see what I'm doing and also see my face, because it obviously is trying to expose for the shadow. And anytime it tries to do that, it's gonna over expose for the white car. So, you know, I'm gonna try to show you as much as I possibly can, but the white vehicle definitely adds a challenge for this camera. Everything is looking quite well, actually. The edge is back. Still have an area right here that I need to take care of, but the edge is pretty much back. I got some tricks for that, but as you can see, the crown is still there, and obviously it's still low, and most of it did pull. But just to show you guys, the real work begins. It is nowhere near finished, but from certain angles, obviously it looks like, oh, most of the damage pulled right with the glue, but not even that bottom part. So now my favorite part is to start using tools, because I think the glue has reached its limit, and we need to get this dent done quick. The two tools that I'm using, obviously Craftsman hammer, self-explanatory, but it's this tool right here. I don't know exactly the name of it. It's an upholstery tool that I use, so but it's coming back pretty good. The edge is almost flat, so And that's pretty much it. And I knock from this direction to get the sharp point out, and just keep repeating that process over and over again. So most of it is out, as you can see, and what we call is cleanup time, and that's what I'm doing right now. Just pretty much cleaning up this panel, making it look 100%. Again, the edge is probably about 85%. I'm still work on that edge. I may have to take the tire out, so that's kind of, I'm gonna stop there and just pretty much clean up the entire dent, and then just the last thing I'm gonna work is the edge. So customer brought some touch up from BMW, so he wants me to apply that. I honestly don't think it's gonna need it, but we'll see. Alright, quick thing guys, I want to show you what I'm doing is I'm trying to see the comparison of the Stucky and Limited light here. So I do notice that the Limited light has a lot more output than the Stucky light. So if you're interested in stuff like that and you need a brighter light, the Limited light probably will fit you much better. But let me show you where I'm at and what I have left. Absolutely impossible to get this in focus or the right. See, I'm working that top area. Let me see if I can point it out for you. I'm working this area right there. See if I can zoom in. Right there. And so, right there, let's see. So I'm working that area right here. Everything else looks pretty good. Let's see if I can get you guys to see. So that's where we're at right now with it. It is now 12:44. I started working on this car right around 9, maybe 9:30. So it's coming out pretty good. I would say I have roughly about at least another hour to 2 left on it, because I still have to get this edge. The light is not positioned too well to show you guys the edge, but you can kind of see it. What we're trying to do here is just match the orange peel. Make sure it's 100% flat as best I can, and that's pushing the light back. For me, it's pushing the light back as far as I can, which allows me to see more detail, more gradient on the light on the panel. So right now it's flat to your hand. I don't think anybody that checks by hand would even notice it, but you can probably see it if certain light hits the panel, whether it be like a night, like you get downtown at night, certain light hits the panel, you'll see like a little wave. So I'm trying to take all of that out, and so what I do is I push that light back as far as I can and kind of get close to the panel, put my eyes closer to the panel. Allows me just to see the gradient effect and actually see all the little detail in the orange peel, and so I can match it. Right, so we just finished. I'm about 4 hours in. Actually, not that bad. I anticipate spending about 5.5, maybe 6. So I'm about 4 hours in. Let me show you kind of what it looks like. I got one more step. I just need to touch up whatever when the impact actually happened. Whoever, when they kick the panel in, it actually hairline cracked at the bottom edge. I actually told him it's probably going to spread because I have to push in that area, but that didn't happen. So let me show you what I got to touch up, and that's it really. Car's back to brand new. So just finished up the repair. Wanted to show you guys before I deliver it to the customer and go over the tools that I used. So here we have it. Customer was absolutely thrilled with the finished product, guys, and if you've been with us this long throughout this entire process, I want to thank you. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you can. If you haven't already, go ahead and go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.